From Patricia Cota Robles. Mother Earth has ascended into a new solar reality. Due to the shifts of energy, vibration, and consciousness that Mother Earth and all life evolving upon her experienced during the powerful eclipse series we were recently blessed with, the heavens are rejoicing. That eclipse series began with a new moon solar eclipse on April 21st, the day before Earth Day. Joining in that global effort were the solar logos from Suns Beyond Suns. As billions of lightworkers around the world focused on healing the atrocities that humanity has inflicted on the elemental kingdom and the body of Mother Earth, the solar logos bathed the Earth with unparalleled solar flares and coronal mass ejections. The monumental influx of new solar light codes built in momentum throughout the entire eclipse series. On May 1st, Saint Germain and Mother Mary began their month-long activity of light involving the violet flame of cosmic forgiveness and humanity's initiations in Mother Mary's temple of the Immaculate Heart in the inner planes. This divine intervention prepared the masses of humanity at a cellular level for the events that would take place during the Wesak full moon eclipse on May 5th. On that sacred day, through the unified efforts of heaven and earth, Mother Earth reached a critical mass of comprehensive divine love. That event created an unstoppable shift that allowed the mighty Elohim to inbreathe Mother Earth and all life evolving upon her in a quantum leap up the bridge to freedom, which is the mighty shaft of light that connects heaven and earth. This cosmic in-breath breathed Mother Earth into the initial frequencies of her brand new solar reality. The company of heaven has revealed that the success of this phase of Mother Earth's ascension process changed the course of history for this blessed planet. Our Father, Mother God have acknowledged that the magnitude of just what this means for each of us and our ascension process is truly beyond the comprehension of our finite minds at this moment. However, we're being assured that this lack of comprehension is a temporary situation that is being remedied moment by moment as our I Am Presence translates the solar light codes we are now receiving into our conscious minds. I know that from our outer appearances this seems impossible, but our Father, Mother God, and the company of heaven have confirmed that it is true. In order to help humanity comprehend that truth, the beings of light are reminding us, as they have many times, that the unawakened souls who are committed to wreaking havoc on Earth and are desperately trying to block Earth's ascension process involve a minuscule fraction of the 8 billion sons and daughters of God embodied on Earth, who are adding their love and light to the world in a myriad of ways every single day. A few days after Mother Earth ascended into the initial impulse of her new solar reality, astronomers reported spotting the largest cosmic explosion ever witnessed. It is 10 times brighter than any known exploding star or supernova. This is just the beginning of the celestial events we will now be able to perceive from Mother Earth's new, more rarefied position in the cosmos. On June 4th, we experienced the third full moon festival of spring, which takes place each year during the full moon in the sun cycle of Gemini. This global celebration is known as the Goodwill Festival of Humanity. During this full moon, the path of divine love that was greatly amplified by Jesus during the full moon in the sun cycle of Aries, and the enlightenment of Gautama Buddha that was greatly amplified during the full moon in the sun cycle of Taurus, joined together as one buoyant, joyous influx of light. This gift from on high was received and acknowledged around the world through the goodwill of awakening humanity, and it continued blessing all life on Earth until the amplification of light on the June 21st solstice. Dear one, Please ask your I Am Presence to help you comprehend the full magnitude of the following information through the flame of God's illumined truth in your heart. Our Father, Mother God, and the company of heaven want us to know that the elevated shifts that have taken place within the prana and life force of humanity's newly balanced masculine and feminine holy breath is what allowed the miracle of Mother Earth's ascension into her new solar reality to be God victoriously accomplished. Now it is this frequency of prana and life force within humanity's holy breath that will hold and sustain the presence of Mother Earth and all her life in the vibrational frequency of her new solar reality. Remember, our holy breath is our direct connection to the source of all that is, our Father, Mother God, the cosmic I Am. For this reason, our beloved godparents are now breathing a higher level of divine intelligence through the prana and life force in every holy breath we take. The divine intent of this assistance is to help each and every one of us stretch our consciousness into higher and higher levels of divine perception and comprehension so that we will fully understand on a conscious level the guidance we are being intuitively given now that will help us to sustain Mother Earth in her new solar reality. Today, we have been given a powerful visualization that will assist us in comprehending what is occurring now through our holy breath in this new solar reality. Initially, this visualization may seem complicated, but with a little practice you will become familiar with it step by step. Once you are familiar with what is occurring with every in-breath and out-breath, you can just breathe normally and ask your I Am Presence to take over the multidimensional control of this breathing process. As you focus on this visualization, know this is both a wondrous opportunity and a tremendous responsibility that we are being trusted with by our Father, Mother God. This gift from on high is stated in the first person so that each of us will know that every word is referring to us personally and collectively. And we begin. I am the holy breath of God, sustaining Mother Earth's new solar reality. I am my I Am Presence, and I am one with my Father, Mother God. My fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies are pulsating within the scintillating flame of the immaculate concept that is blazing in the crystalline lotus blossom in the newly ascended heart of Mother Earth. My I Am Presence is also one with the I Am Presence of every man, woman, and child on Earth. Collectively, humanity's I Am Presence now merge into one luminous I Am Presence, which is cradling Mother Earth and my fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies within the divinity of its unified heart flame. My individual I Am Presence now expands and expands into a luminous being of light that is cradling the collective I Am Presence of all humanity, Mother Earth, and my fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies within its immortal victorious threefold heart flame. Now the heart flame and my fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies pulsating in the heart of Mother Earth, and the unified heart flame of all of humanity and our collective I Am Presence, and the greatly expanded heart flame and my luminous I Am Presence are all three merging into one glorious, immortal, victorious threefold flame. Now, with every holy breath I take, this trinity of God's infinite light is bathing Mother Earth and sustaining her in the vibrational frequencies of her new solar reality. Breath by breath, I'm consciously aware that humanity, the elemental kingdom, and Mother Earth are now breathing in unison with me as I affirm, I am inbreathing through my newly merged immortal victorious threefold heart flame the highest frequencies of God's divinely intelligent prana and life force that I am capable of assimilating. This holy breath ascends into my spiritual brain centers and my physical brain structure, restoring, renewing, and resurrecting every facet of my brain to its full divine potential. My holy in-breath now ascends through the fully open crown chakras and my fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies in humanity's collective I Am presence and in my expanded luminous I Am presence into the very heart of my Father, Mother, God. Instantaneously, my holy in-breath absorbs all the infinite light in the heart of my God parents. Now, on my out-breath, this infinite light descends back through the crown chakras of my luminous I Am presence, humanity's collective I Am presence, and my fifth dimensional crystalline solar light bodies into my newly merged threefold heart flame. As I continue my out-breath, the infinite light I absorbed within the heart of God now flows through my heart chakra into Mother Earth's crystal grid system of comprehensive divine love, blessing every facet of life belonging to or serving Mother Earth. I am now consciously aware that with every in-breath and out-breath, my Father, Mother, God's infinite light and comprehensive divine love are now creating the foundation for the tangible manifestation of the patterns of perfection for Mother Earth's new solar reality. As I continue this living, breathing activity of light day by day with every breath I take, my I Am presence will take control and perpetually consecrate my thoughts, feelings, words, and actions with loving gratitude for my gift of life and the selfless service my Father, Mother, God, and the legions of light serving the evolutions of Earth are rendering to humanity, the elemental kingdom, and Mother Earth. And so, it is beloved I Am that I am. From eraofpeace.org